The year is 2026, and the desktop computer as you know it is about to vanish. For decades, power meant big towers, loud fans, and massive heat sinks. But right now, in February 2026, something is happening inside Apple's labs in Cupertino that is making even the most powerful Mac Studio look like a relic. The M4 Mac Mini was a massive hit. It was smaller, faster, and cheaper. But the leaks coming out of the supply chain this month suggest that the M4 was just a placeholder, a warm-up act, because the Mac Mini M5 is no longer just a computer. It is a hyper-intelligent AI node that fits in the palm of your hand. If you are sitting there with a credit card in your hand, ready to buy an M4 Mac Mini, I need you to stop, just for 30 minutes, because the benchmarks we are seeing for the M5 chip aren't just an incremental, 10% faster update. We are looking at a 2-nanometer architecture leap that changes the fundamental physics of computing. We are talking about the first Mac Mini that can outperform a Mac Pro from 3 years ago, while using less power than a light bulb. In this video, we are dismantling the M5 mystery. I have gathered the full spec sheets from the TSMC production lines, the leaked pricing brackets for the M5 Pro variant, and the truth about the Thunderbolt 6 revolution that is about to change your desk setup forever. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why the wait versus buy argument has shifted, why Apple is doubling the neural engine cores, and the secret reason why the Mac Mini M5 might be the last desktop Mac many people ever need to buy. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M5 silicon. While the M4 was built on a refined 3-nanometer process, the M5 is the world's first consumer chip to move toward the N2 or 2-nanometer territory. Why does that matter to you? It means density. Apple is reportedly cramming over 30 billion transistors into a space the size of a postage stamp. The early leaks from February 2026 show a CPU jump that is staggering. We are hearing about a 25% increase in single-core performance and a massive 40% jump in multi-core tasks. If you are a developer compiling code or a video editor working with 8K ProRes RAW, the Mac Mini M5 is going to feel like moving from a bicycle to a jet engine. But it's the GPU where the real magic happens. The M5 is rumored to feature a next-gen graphics architecture with hardware-accelerated ray tracing 2.0. This isn't just for gamers. This is for the Apple Intelligence era. Speaking of AI, let's talk about the Neural Accelerator. Apple Intelligence is no longer just a beta feature. It is the core of macOS 26. The M5 Mac Mini is reportedly shipping with a 32-core neural engine. That is double the capacity of the previous generation. Why? Because in 2026, your Mac isn't just running apps. It's running a local large language model. It's indexing your files, summarizing your meetings, and generating content in real time, all without ever sending a single byte of data to the cloud. The M5 is the first AI-first desktop, and it requires this massive jump in silicon to keep everything snappy. But there is a design change that no one saw coming. The M4 Mac Mini was already tiny, just 5 inches by 5 inches. But for the M5, the rumors suggest Apple is going even thinner. How? By moving to a stackable thermal design. Leaked CAD drawings